Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about offset surface. I'm going to show you how to offset surface if it is single surface, and also I'm going to show you offset multiple surfaces and how to use offset surface for cutting any feature. So let's start now. So I have created simple surface. So in surface module we have offset surface. Just select the surface and we can see the preview of the offset surface. So we can flip the direction. So this is how we create the offset surface. Now I am going to show you one example. So I have created simple closed loop sketch. So I am going to revolve this feature. Now go to surface and offset surface. See, when I select this face, it is showing one transparent surface with the offset distance of 3 mm. So if I want to offset one surface, I can do it. If I want two surfaces or three or multiple surfaces, we can do it. So here what we can see is there is an intersection when we offset surface. If distance is more, there will be a gap at this location. So here there is an intersection. So it automatically trims the surface and merge with other surface. So that is the advantage of offset surface. Now if I hide this solid part, so I can see this offset surface. Now I can thicken this. Surface. See, there is a shell feature. So this is one application. Now see, I have created simple block. Now I want to emboss a text on the surface. And this surface is having some curvature. So in this condition, how do we offset this text or embossing a text on the surface? Usually we use this for plastic components. So select this sketch, go to extruded boss, now flip the direction. See here, so there is a straight extrude. See here, but this is not recommended. So what we do in this condition to match this curvature, we can create one. So now what we have to do is select this surface, go to offset surface. So give some text height, for example 1 mm I am giving. See, I'll keep it in right side view. See, there is an offset. See here, we can see the additional surface created. Now, so in this condition what we do is, instead of blind option, we can give up to surface. Now this surface is matching the offset surface. See here, it is exactly matching. So we can hide this surface. So that is how we do for plastic components or any metallic component. So this is a brief about offset surface. Thank you very much.